Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing great today. So today what we'll be doing is we'll be going through my 1 minute trading strategy. So I'm on my 1 minute time frame right now, trading gold. Okay. So here's the first thing I want you to notice, right? Here's the first thing I want you to notice. So the first thing we'll do is we will look into what price is doing. So quite simply, what price is doing is price is creating a series of higher highs and higher lows, right? Price is giving us a series of higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, price is trending up, okay? We are trading up, all right? Price is making a series of higher highs and higher lows, all right? So what will we be doing? So what we'll be doing is we will be just waiting for price to do what? For price to reverse, go to our demand zone that we had drawn out, and then go to the upside to come take out this weak high, right? So this is the first conference I use. So the first conference I use is weak high and weak low, right? Um, I hope you have time today because I really do not want to take shortcuts with this, right? So we have our weak high and then we have our strong low, okay? So we have our strong low and then we have our weak high, right? So usually how this works is, as you can see, um, price is taking out highs, right? So this low right here, it has not been taken out. Okay, this low has not been taken out and it's the recent low, just like this low right here, it has not been taken out, and then just like this low right here, it has not been taken out, right? Unlike these highs, unlike these highs, this high right here, it has been taken out, which is what we call a break of structure. And then we have another high right here, which has been taken out, which we call a break of structure. And then we have another high right here, which has been taken out, which we call a break of structure. So this high, we predict that it's also going to be taken out, which is also going to be called a break of structure as soon as we have a candle that closes above here, right? So what are we expecting to see right now? Right now, the price has created a new high. What we are expecting is we are expecting a pullback to take place. Okay, we're expecting a pullback to take place, and then that pullback is going to take place and go where? And go to our demand zone, right? So that pullback is going to take place and go to our demand zone. And then we'll be looking to do what? We'll be looking to take this trade from this demand zone and then we'll be looking to go where? To the upside, okay? So let's see how we're going to confirm that. So the other thing is how we're going to confirm that the pullback has begun, right? So we have our recent low right here. This is our recent low. So we'll wait for price to break this low. Once price breaks this low, then we'll know that we are in our recent low, just like that, okay? Let me just make this low down, okay? Just like that, okay? So this is our weak high, and then again, as I explained, we have our break of structure, and then now the pullback has taken place. As you can see, we have what we call a change of character right here. So price will be pulling back, okay? So usually when prices like this is when I now put out my premium and discount zones, right? So I'm just going to draw out my premium discount zones. So what I do for this is I use my Fibonacci tool, right? So I mark out my recent high to my recent low, and then I just use the column tool. All right, so I'm just going to make sure that it goes with my line right there and that aligns with my zero line right there. So this is my discount zone, right? And then my discount zone, what we have is on my discount zone. So my discount zone, what we have is we have our equilibrium. Okay, we have our equilibrium, and then on our equilibrium, on top of our equilibrium, what we have is we have our premium zone, right? And now I'm just going to delete this Fib tool. So we have our premium. So price is too expensive here. This is where price sells off on the premium zone, right? And then on the discount zone, price is too cheap. This is where price buys. Okay. So when we have our liquidity sweep right here, this is a liquidity sweep because as you can see, we have this candle right here, right? So this candle right here, it failed to close with the body, right? We wanted to see the body close right over here, but instead we got the wick, right? And then the body closed above it, right? So this shows me that this was just manipulation, and a lot of people that place their buys right here and then they put their stop loss right under the strong low, they got liquidated, right? A lot of people did get liquidated, unfortunately for them, but this is what we call the manipulation phase, right? So this was manipulation. Liquidity was taken out, and now we can look to go to the upside. Okay, so for us to go to the upside, what I had told the group is I'll just share the screen right here. What I had told the group is, guys, as soon as you see price break above this high, buy on full margin, right? So now we had our strong low right here. So it wasn't a strong low until it took out this high, right? So let's let's wait and see what happens. But as I said, I had already entered, right? And fortunately enough, I didn't put my stop loss at place during that time. Let me just be honest. But then yeah, guys, it happens. Okay. So as soon as I saw price close above this high, I knew that what we had was a break of structure, right? I knew that what we had was a break of structure, and then what we had here was a new strong low, okay? So this was yet a position whereby we could enter for buys, and then we could aim to take out this low, this weak high, and then we could aim to take out this weak high, I mean. All right, and then we could look out to take out this weak high, and then yeah, let's see what happens. All right, our price is respecting. So another thing right here I want you to notice is we had a type of demand zone right over here. We had a type of demand zone right over here. So this was going to be a great area to retake the trade, right? To retake the trade. This was going to be a great area for a re-entry because also as you can see it's still in our premium, it's still in our discount zone, so it was going to be a great place to take another buy. And just like that, price taps us in. Price taps us in right over here. Price tips us in, and as you can see, it was pushing up. And at this point, I was just holding my trades, and I just wanted to see a take profit hit at this point in time. And as you can see, take profit did hit. And how much pips did we make on this day? Okay, let me see from this entry. So we gained about 1,500 pips on this day alone, right? And it was a great trade. We took it with the community, and this is my first time doing a video like this, so I might have made a whole lot of mistakes here and there, but I promise you, I am getting used to this. I'm getting used to speaking in front of the camera. I know if you saw my first video was horrible, but then I hope that I'll come with more content like this. The content will be more cleaner, more professional, and the edits will be more amazing. But then thank you guys for having me today. Hope you have a great day, and I'm just step out and start editing. Have a great time, Primeverse.